And here from the Philippines po. We are now in Davao. So last night, we went to the night market to have our dinner. Doon sa night market po in Davao. So may mga crowds naman but not as busy as yung night market ng Baguio, di ba? There are people but yun. So may Tiangge, may massage area, may food area. So yun yung pagkakaano niya. So madami yung mga Tiangge stalls, yun. So sa Tiangge stalls, we bought our ref magnets. So nagko-collect po tayo ng mga ref magnets natin. So this is what we bought sa ating night market. Yung ating ref magnet. Ayan. Yung isa kay Daniel, yung dalawa sa ref natin sa bahay. Ayan. Ganda po, no? Ayan. From the night market, Davao night market. Enjoy, enjoy. Momsy, Popsy, enjoy, enjoy. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.